Welcome to Dream on Wheels. What if a motorhome could offer the feeling of a full-size living space? That's exactly what we're exploring today. This is the Benimar Tessoro T463, a motorhome designed to deliver a spacious interior, flexible layout, and a travel experience that feels both comfortable and efficient. In this video, we'll take a complete tour, covering its exterior design, interior layout, kitchen, sleeping setup, bathroom, and what it's really like to live and travel in it. From the outside, the Tessoro T463 presents a clean, modern, low-profile design. It has a strong and confident road presence. While still maintaining proportions that feel manageable, the overall styling is simple yet refined. It focuses on clean lines and functional design rather than unnecessary complexity. Large windows are positioned along the sides, allowing plenty of natural light to enter the interior. The main entry door is wide and easy to access, making daily use more convenient. Storage compartments are integrated into the lower sections, providing space for travel gear and outdoor essentials. This is an exterior built for both practicality and everyday usability. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is the sense of space. The layout feels open, well-organized, and easy to move around in. At the front, the driver and passenger seats rotate to form part of a spacious lounge area. This creates a comfortable environment for relaxing, dining, or spending time indoors. The seating area is one of the highlights here. It offers generous space, making it suitable for extended use without feeling cramped. The dining table is centrally positioned, providing a practical surface for meals or work. Large windows bring in natural light during the day, enhancing the feeling of openness at night. Ambient lighting creates a warm and relaxing atmosphere. This is a living space designed for comfort and everyday use. Moving into the kitchen, the focus is clearly on functionality. The countertop provides a good amount of space for preparing meals, which is a noticeable advantage. You get a well-integrated cooking area with a stove and sink. Positioned for ease of use, storage is one of the strong points here. Multiple cabinets and drawers provide space for utensils, groceries, and daily essentials. Everything is arranged logically, making the kitchen easy to use without unnecessary movement. A large refrigerator is included, allowing you to store fresh food and extend your trips. This kitchen is built for real cooking, not just occasional use. One of the standout features of the Tessoro T463 is its flexible sleeping setup. It often includes a drop-down bed above the lounge area, which can be lowered when needed and stored away during the day. This design allows the living space to remain open without permanently dedicating space to a fixed bed. The bed itself is spacious and comfortable, suitable for restful sleep. Additional sleeping arrangements may be available through convertible seating areas. This flexibility makes the motorhome suitable for couples, families, or guests. Storage is also integrated around the sleeping areas, keeping everything organized. The bathroom in the Tessoro T463 is designed to be both practical and comfortable. Inside, you'll find a toilet, sink, and a separate shower area. The separation is a key advantage. It allows for a more comfortable experience and better usability during daily routines. Everything is positioned thoughtfully, ensuring easy access without feeling cramped. Storage compartments provide space for toiletries and personal items. Having a bathroom like this on board adds a strong level of independence during travel. Moving into the cockpit, the motorhome offers a comfortable and user-friendly driving environment. The driver and passenger seats are supportive, making long journeys more comfortable. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, with controls placed within easy reach in front of the driver. The instrument cluster is clear and easy to read. A central infotainment system provides access to navigation, media, and connectivity features. Large front windows offer excellent visibility, helping maintain confidence while driving. Once parked, the seats rotate to become part of the living space, adding flexibility. What makes the Tessoro T463 stand out is how well it adapts to real travel situations. It offers enough space to move freely, enough storage to stay organized, and a layout that simplifies everyday routines. Everything feels intuitive and easy to use. Whether you're on a short weekend trip or a longer journey, the experience feels comfortable and manageable. The Benimar Tessoro T463 is built around space, flexibility, and everyday comfort. It's not just about having more features. It's about how those features come together to create a better travel experience. The Benimar Tessoro T463 delivers a spacious and well-balanced motorhome experience, combining smart design, flexible sleeping options, and practical usability. If you found this tour helpful, consider subscribing to Dream on Wheels for more campervan and motorhome content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.